Namaste. Greetings of the day. This is Dr. Geeta Devi, Associate Professor, Head of the Department, Management Studies, MITS. Today, I will be going to share an important topic, an interesting one about entrepreneurship. So we all know about entrepreneurship, and we all know how government is also supporting entrepreneurship by the way of make in India, Startup India, and also even colleges are also supporting students to come as a young entrepreneurs by going with hackathons, conducting many hackathons. So why we have to discuss more about entrepreneurship and what is its need today? Let us discuss about that. Coming to my presentation will include all this introduction to entrepreneurship and who will become entrepreneurs and what is the importance of entrepreneurship. So coming to the first one, let me share information about what is entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship is all about the risk taking ability, or entrepreneurship is a person who starts his own business. Entrepreneurship is a activity. Entrepreneur is a person who starts his own business, and he's a person who takes risk, and is a person who has the innovation. He has a open minded, he's a person who is with open minded, who goes with the creativity, and he's a person. Entrepreneurship is the ability and readiness to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise along with the any uncertainties, if any, and in order to make the profit. His main intention will be to earn profit. For that, he is also ready to face any uncertainties in this journey, right? So the main example of entrepreneurship is like starting a business. Any person who starts a business, that becomes an entrepreneurship. Now, in the economics, entrepreneurship is connected with land, labor, and natural resources, which generates profit. Land is connected with the rent, and labor with the wages, and how the natural resources are used for the benefit of an entrepreneur. So, entrepreneurial vision is defined by the discovery and risk taking, and is an indispensable part of nation's capacity to succeed in an ever changing and more competitive global marketplace. Now, when we see why other countries are growing more faster, because even though they don't have many resources, but still they are number one, because only because of they are with the entrepreneurs, they have more number of entrepreneurs. So entrepreneurship is connected with the more becoming of more entrepreneurs. Now, who will become entrepreneurs? Anyone can become an entrepreneur. Anyone at any age can become an entrepreneur. We all know, like KFC started at the age of 64, that person. And anyone can become, who has that ability to take the risk, who has that desire to solve any problem, who has the pain, yes, regarding the society. Then he can start with his own business, he can come up with own creative ideas. So anyone can become an entrepreneur. It is not that it is not connected with either the age or with the profession. Anyone at any point of time, just if it's just only about getting an idea, and then he can start a business. So entrepreneur is defined as someone who starts his own business and is an ability to establish, administrate, and succeed in a startup venture along with risk entitled to it and make profits. So we know Oyo person, Ritesh Agrawal, and we know about Sachin Bansali, like Bansal, who has started the Flipkart. So with their ideas only, they have started an enterprise. The best example of entrepreneurship is by starting a new business venture. The entrepreneurs have to come up with new sources of ideas or new creativity that brings or that changes the marketplace. And what is the importance of entrepreneurship? See, through why even the government is supporting, because they are the people who create more employment, the who create more capital formation. Capital form in the sense, entrepreneurs, they use the idle resources, they use the natural resources, and thereby they start inventing new things, and they create more employment opportunities. So this is how the people, they go with completing the formation of new capital. Next one is like they improve the per capita income of a person. See, as entrepreneurs, they go with the more identifying new opportunities, and they come up with new production of products and all. So this boosts the GDP of a country, and thereby they creates more job employment. Entrepreneurs are like the job creators, they are not the job seekers. They provide employment to many people. So this is how they contribute to the economic growth of a country and at the same time nation. And thereby when they start a production unit, thereby they creates a balanced regional development in that particular area. They when they start their own business, they will come up with all necessary facilities in that particular area, so that area is also developed. And these through these entrepreneurs, they are also there is a chance of exporting our own products. There is a chance of more exporting our products, and they also support the large scale business. And majorly entrepreneurs starts the business as a small scale industries. Now these people have an opportunity to be as a supporters for the large scale industries, and that is why major people and many people, they are coming with entrepreneurial ideas. So even we are also encouraging our students to become more entrepreneurs. And I thank everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.